Hello guys, I am Sakina. Today I will share with you the steps to color the eye in IbisPaint easily and professionally. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. Alright guys, I first draw the sketch, so I will color it with you now only. I choose a light pink color for the skin tone and will use it darker shades for shading around the eyes. I usually use shades of orange to color the skin in my drawings because I love warm colors. Now I'm coloring the eyes. I chose the color blue. I will add a new layer above the sketch layer because I will paint over it. As shown in the video, I started coloring the upper part of the eye with a skin tone shade to make it more harmonious. I will leave the brush code I use it for coloring the eye at the end of the video. Here I increase the intensity of the color to highlight the details. I draw the eyelashes, it's my favorite part. I erased the extra lines in the sketch layer. This shade of orange to lighten the eye because it complements the blue color. Then we draw the pupil in a dark tone of the base color. I am almost done with the coloring, and all that's left is to add the eye shine, my favorite part after drawing the eyelashes. Now that we've finished the coloring, I like to add an overlay. Layer to make the drawing glow and highlight the details. This is optional. If you have watched the video until the end, let me know in the comments if it was helpful or if you have any questions. I will reply to them. Thank you all for your support. It means a lot to me and encourage me to keep posting more and improve my skills. I will see you in a new video.